Omwanjumulire Ndizi TV andonsia soberete nande nigo cheragire Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabana baso jinga chiringo kwarigania semesa ya mangana Amayia irumena agendrete gwateka imena isiko ya Gusii tangani tiangwa kirembia mona kerochorete kurigereria Ndizi TV ne robwan sumugusi pono ira chinga kichao chabene uramana agendrete gwateka imena isiko ya Gusii ka jidiri kemeron kebere ne usijiri tariki 21 mutinyu 11 mwaka ujirubere ne meron kebere nesoto ekaro semeretene ni wendete gutwara litukulia oligia ya chumaine nonye liaki kegotwa gorende nigondo jina mugaso balire andonsi ose asole tingoma oso balire lakini asende ndo jina oro balire lakini yankwalgani obenenje mbako omwerera manare yatekire kuruchingongo inye chense irianyimo cha sugusu amo nabosongo nyore neno Ndizi TV bonsmo usintora sensemo ye mitandao Facebook tonyore Ndizi TV News Digital boiga sensemo ya YouTube na boko tonyora Ndizi TV News sense media Twitter asenjerende banyiroka X na boko tonyora @Ndizi TV News boikerenga kiana boko tumagutira se namba ira seskini yurabu boigontora sensemo ye website www.ndizitv.net abana botonyora Chinsa merongebere na inye na mangana tokarekana imena isiko ya Gusii abakenya mbaendete kolera atabuna bogima nigo bwa kongire serikali ndete kwigena atabuna nigebegete miroberio yogo konyo mo Kenya kujasa matuko alebosio mbuya tuchandike bono ujasa matuko alebosio nyarde konyeka Joshua Auta nerora sense meriende yomuntu wimanyerero abigani nyanja mene kuna maliyo ine chibicha go cheira senjera bene kuna botambiriane Brighton Makori. Aya tukujoka kubono kurwa sense meri ya borokia asibone serikali nekiombekerie kulika aborokia kia Kenya Teachers and Service Commission Kenya rege kubuligwa kwene kibuna aborokia bali bagosomye gusiba kora abachintenera asibirugo abo ekera bamwe abo banyarire bagotigemereme yose baskiro jibosi kwene kibuna ngwego bare mereme yu bayegendere kurengana nabo bisakuru abose bali batenete kiombe kia borokia ni bono banyarire bakobolia ekine kiombe gerigia Kenya Union of Teachers ni bono banyarire bakubona aborokia bange nigo bakoba abajintenera asibiro abo kurende ekaroli bagerigo ichurigwa bayirana bachandegete egekogera mbali kwego mabagayu banyara kwegwa libagari okora emirimo boigo nigo banye serikali nyarige kuburirwa kubwatuka kibese gochi asiskuru bwango ekiagera nigeyuka yanyorwa nenekere skuru chigurwa umutinyu mutangani mwako goja onyora kibese ichikire endobo korari bw'ikskuru wanyara bokogendera.
Many people are enacting capacities from principals to teachers. A principal maybe retires, a deputy is picked in an acting capacity, and by nature he or she appoints a head of department in an acting capacity as a deputy. A head of department space has been created, a subject head is picked in an acting capacity to head a department. Space is created in head of subject, a teacher is picked to head a subject. So you have a whole line of administrators all acting. And then one time the employer sends a principal. So all these people acting are forced to get back to where they were. Ladies and gentlemen, you end up with a very frustrated line of workers.
Embure nyinge yegendete kwenekiwa sense ya Kenya nigobone gendete koleta amabe anene asa menyi korwa sense mayanyatike bakorera kubwatikana nembure nyinge yegotu sense meyo asiarokremna amaroire nigachakire gwateka sense ya sebono banyarire bakoboria serikali kobeke miroberio yoko bakonya anekere mbure yo yarokene chikomenta asamatuko alebosio nigo bana baterana kubatika nembure yo nigo baoboherere obugima bwabo asamaroira mange atikire ensemeyo aseboigo batena mbabwati no nyino barahar no ene ndagira kubatika nembure ye nyinge egenderete gotwa.
No toilets to go, so majority just go to open defecation. And actually water washes them away. It is the same water being used for cooking, for washing utensils and other domestic activity.
Maji kila wakati natuharibia choo. Watoto hata wawezi kuenda kwa choo, lazima wachukue jembe waende walime, unalima, ukirudi unapata maji imeenda nayo. Sasa tuko na shida ya choo. Magonjwa hii iko juu kila wakati napeleka watoto si tumbo, mara nini, wanaara. Sasa I think ni hiyo choo ndio inaleta shida.
We are not safe because during this time there are a lot of diseases that attacked us, especially cholera and typhoid and this pneumonia and so and whatever, and malaria especially, mostly.
Egeza kukiogie kinigobono kanyarege kuburia serikali kubike miruberio mironge na kubainyura korwase alibagweterane no nyimbarabwe kare mbrego twanigo bateruna nigo batabwati endemero elibakoruka eyabo anena asibamyete asamaremo ayatali ayabo asibono bagende bago chandwa gukwana nigo banyara batabuna paise kwegwa endemero yabo kubatikane serikali gorwase serikali nigo baranyora asibakorukanka nabo igo imechandiri bagwetera enyarege koba gosinyarke gwika omoerio.
Tunaomba ya kwamba kama hawa wamebali ya kwamba serikali hii ya Mheshimiwa Ruto amekubaliana na Land Commission atekeleze mambo yetu yokie, waje kuwa haki, asikeuze hizo mambo au akibadilisha hiyo mambo.
Wakati wa elimino tuko kando ya barabara na pali tunaishi ni ponde, pali tunaishi ni tabu, maji inakuja karibu ibebe watoto yetu. Tuko kwa chai kwa matajiri. Tukikimbia kutoka huko tunakuta manyumba maji zimejaa, kuna mahali unaota moto, kuna mahali unafanya nini, tabu yote ni yetu. Tuko tabu, serikali mtusaidie.
Ekaro togo suka go chibo sio abagaka korwa segesa ku kiaba ikoyo go sekikuyu kanzo wedas nigobono banyarire bakoborie kanisa kwene kumene kanisa ngokorereri ibagari yabo gosegasi yabo batige abagaka bona bakore igasi banika gocha magegaye kanisa komochia lingana lia abagaka we karba begetena ngakyumwana mu murata kire go saro gosikwenda iburu as enseme kurengana nabagaka bo nigo badena ekanisa nibwate libagari yaye dio kore miremo yabo yokurandia boigo batigira abagaka bo gukora igasi yabo asogo kini egekoro as ensemeyo na kwa libaga ebikoro abawo kwenda gukorekana asinzemo ao anene asogo sara umwana umumura.
Sisi na sana niseme mimi kama chairman wa wazee katika hii constituency yetu ya Thika kuna mambo zingine siwezi kubaliana naye. Sasa hiyo ndio nasema tutaweka mpaka kazi ya kanisa na kazi ya wazee. Na hapa wacha niongee wazi. Ile maneno tunaongea ni maneno ya watu wa Mount Kenya. The Kikuyus. Ukienda pande zingine kama kwa Wamasai, ukienda pande zingine kama kwa Waluya, ukienda pande zingine kama kwa Wajaluo,
kanisa wafanye kazi yao, waachie wazee kazi yao. Hata wao wenyewe walitahirishwa huko manyumbani, ni vile tu wanakataa kusikia tu. Waachie wazee kazi yao, tuendelee na hizi mambo ya kimira ya kutahirisha watoto wafurana wa Kikuyu.
Mugavana we county ya Bungoma Ken Rusaka ni gavana nyaririga kubori bali no bolema as county yo kwene kibunangwe tuma bali na koligie mirimo ya serikali anekerateruna teribuya asibali no bolema nande babwate chinguru cyo kora emirimo gosikuri kwa chobisi kogendera gusabirira as chinsemo awo ni gaterubigo serikali ya county yo niyo yabekire miroberio asogosira bali no bolema as okwegendereria asadino nechibese cyabo nchiroro chiko bekwense mone serikali echira bakonye asokwegendereria as miroberio yabo yakira rituko.
Sisi kupitia kwa bursary, scholarship na vitu kama hizo. Tuko na pesa ya disability, let us focus on them. Tuko na pesa ya pesa scholarships na bursaries, let us also focus on their children. Kama yeye ni mtu hajiwezi lakini ana mtoto ambaye anajiweza, pia let us also support them so that they feel part and parcel of this society.
Tunajua kuwa mlemavu si mwisho wako. Ni sawa. Kuwa mlemavu, think about what you can do. lakini wacheni niwaambie, kila mtu ni candidate ya kuwa disability. Siku yako ya mtihani ikifika, ukifika class 8 au form 4 lazima uketie mtihani. Hata kama utakuwa namba ya mwisho, hata kama utakuwa namba ya kwanza, lazima utaketia mtihani. So mjue kila mtu ni candidate ya kuwa disability.
Kero abageni gosabatari bagendete gotarira ense ya Kenya ni gobono omubunge Okrivnot Ogwin ya baya anyarega koboria serikali kwenda kunankoera bageni abu libaga litwererwa nekero bago cha sense ya Kenya asaburuna amachiko na arorathakire kurusi wororo na abageni abamba kurusigwe bange nyinge iyeirere abageni abu gosabatari koboa gocha sense ya Kenya asibajagire kwenda sichinsi chisiko yikwirina buna bono Kenya ngochere gosiri kibasi kinyinge ekonyora koru asabatari bali bagotarira sense ya Kenya inomo bunge Okrifnot nere Owen yayabaya nere kubolia serikali gonchurulia machiko na kubeka machiko amaya aliaranchira bagani abange gotarira ense ya Kenya anechinga kechi cherusa.
I would like this country to abolish visa entry for Italian tourists, and I have been very clear about that. Kenya is a big destination for Italians, but we have been making it complicated because of the visa rules and visa issues and visa costs. How do we increase the visa cost for Italians even when we know that we want to talk to the market so that they can come here? One of the things that I would want to do when I go out there is to reduce visa cost, because by reducing visa cost or removing visa completely, we get more tourists coming. We are losing to Zanzibar. We are losing to Maldives. We are losing to other destinations because of our restrictions on visa. I've asked the president kindly that he needs to waive visa for Italian tourists and other European tourists. We have this other issue that is coming at our airports, especially from KRA, where if a tourist comes here with anything above $500, you are in
uchumi nigegendete gusarika sense ya Kenya asibone byombe ao abiro byaterna kubwatekana no kuruzwe bangerigoro nige byasara byasongire na uchumi nigegendete gusarika kubwatekana na automotive and heavy machinery suppliers nigo batebrina kubwatekana no kobekerwe bango erigoro nige byasara byatenenire boigono no bokoreli bubwagachi nigo bwatenenire ekyagera abantu abange tibari gutumeka chi machine echo osen bari go chikomboi ene bajokora emiremo asensitu ya Kenya sibaburi na emirobelyo netakere kubekwa eli uchumirane no bokore bunyara bokwirana ubuya asense ya Kenya.
The construction industry is driven by projects. And as you may be aware, the government has been trying to selectively choose the kind of projects they want to engage in. And to some extent, this has had a negative impact on the demand for equipment business. And as a result, we have seen a drop in demand. However, because of our presence in East Africa, that's both in Uganda and Tanzania, and the other neighboring countries like Sudan, South Sudan specifically, and Congo, it has really assisted us in making sure that we are able to keep our demand levels at the right level and just be able to survive. But the current state of the economy, if you look at it from a Kenyan perspective, has not been very positive with the construction equipment.
Brought a good brand that really can bring back revenue to the customers and really last long and durable, and also we have differentiated through our services and after sales support. We have all parts available at our store.
Amange bano teatonyana na chikoraga Chinsa komiri ngomanyi bunaendete gwateka imena isiko ya usino kubuli kwanne enda gotengera Ndizi TV nero bwansuma Gusii asemerubirito ya kera chinga kienero Ndizi TV bwansuma Gusii nyora ndora sensema mitandao na boto bwatia ensema ya Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News Digital boiga sensema ya YouTube na boto nyora Ndizi TV News onya chinga ki na bokwenda sensema ya X otonyora na @Ndizi TV News boiga kerenga kia na bokituma gutera asinambe yera screen yegora tonyora na chikora Chinsa komi ningira na SMS ngomanya mange unaendete gwateka imena isiko ya Gusii twabota na Auta yorenga sensemeri yomonwe manyelyo abigari nyanja manero ene kibina malio gine chibicha gocheire asenjera ya bene oyo nyareta gocha sole ninje Brighton Makori asika kerebo sino chikonyana na Gusii hapa Blaze ekabembeli ogendera ko baime yomurobelyo yaito yakera alituko.
su wuomo Gusii.